In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan QR code on Yahoo Mail. We're going to connect your Yahoo account to an authenticator app by scanning the QR code Yahoo provides, which enables two-step verification for stronger security. Start by opening Yahoo Mail and signing into your account with your usual credentials. Once you're in your inbox, head to your profile or settings menu. Look for the option that takes you to manage your account details. It's typically accessible from your profile picture or name in the upper corner. From there, open the section labeled Account Security. This is where Yahoo keeps all the tools that help protect your account. Next, turn on two-step verification. This extra layer asks for a one-time code after your password, which helps block unauthorized access even if someone learns your password. When Yahoo asks how you want to complete two-step verification, choose the Authenticator app option. This is the most secure and convenient method because it generates time-based codes on your phone. Now, pick up your mobile device and open your preferred Authenticator app, such as Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or another trusted option you already use. In the app, add a new account. When it gives you choices, select Scan QR code. If it requests camera permission, allow it so the app can read the code. Point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on your Yahoo screen. Hold steady and make sure the entire code is visible and well lit. Most apps recognize it immediately and add your Yahoo account automatically. If it takes a moment, adjust the distance or brightness and try again. Once the code is scanned, your Authenticator app will show a 6-digit code linked to your Yahoo account. This code refreshes every 30 seconds, so it's normal to see it change. Return to the Yahoo setup screen on your computer or browser and type in the current 6-digit code exactly as it appears in the app. Submit it to confirm the connection and finish activating two-step verification. That's it. Your Yahoo Mail is now protected with an Authenticator app, and the next time you sign in, you'll enter your password and then the code from the app. Keep your phone handy, and remember that these codes work even if your device is offline. If you found this helpful, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos like these.